Hey everyone, welcome. I'm so excited to take you on this journey today. Today we're going on a journey to learn about something very special in Igbo culture, the Kola nut. This small but significant nut holds a wealth of meaning and tradition. The Kola nut is really important to Igbo people. It's not just a nut, it's a symbol of hospitality, respect, and community. It's been around for a very long time. The history of the Kola nut in Igbo culture dates back centuries, and it has been a part of many significant events and rituals. It represents good things like peace, being together, and being friends. When you see a Kola nut, think of it as a symbol of unity and harmony. If you go to someone's house and they give you a Kola nut, it's like they're saying, "We're so happy you're here." It's a warm and heartfelt gesture that makes guests feel truly welcome. But the Kola nut is more than just a welcome gift. It's also very spiritual. It plays a crucial role in many religious and cultural ceremonies. Some people believe it has a special connection to our ancestors and to God. Offering a Kola nut is a way to honor the spirits and seek blessings. Imagine a special Igbo leader praying and offering a Kola nut to the sky. This act is a profound expression of faith and reverence. It's like a bridge between us on earth and something bigger. The Kola nut serves as a conduit for communication with the divine. Even today, you'll still see Kola nuts at important events like weddings or when a baby is born. These moments are made even more special with the presence of the Kola nut, and you can even find it in some Igbo foods. The Kola nut is not just a ceremonial item, it also adds a unique flavor to traditional dishes. It's amazing how something so small can mean so much, right? The Kola nut's significance transcends its size, embodying the essence of Igbo culture. No matter how much things change, the Kola nut reminds us of where we come from and what's important in life. It is a constant in a world of change, a reminder of our roots and values. So, the Kola nut isn't just a nut, it's a symbol, a tradition, and a connection to our heritage. It's a link to our past, a part of our present, and something that will always be important to Igbo people. The Kola nut is a timeless emblem of our identity and culture. Thanks for joining me today to learn about this special part of Igbo culture. I hope you found it as fascinating as I do. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to see more cool videos about our culture. See you next time. Until then, keep exploring and appreciating the rich heritage around us.